A single message changed the fate of World War II. 4 Japanese aircraft carriers, the pride of their navy, would be ambushed and sunk, all because of a coded transmission. June 1942. Japan's fleet dominates the Pacific, but American codebreakers at Station Hypo are listening. The Japanese have a plan, but the message says only, AF will be attacked. What is AF? Commander Joseph Rochefort and his team think it's Midway Island, but Washington isn't convinced. So, a trick. The Americans send an uncoded message. Midway's water distillation plant is broken. Days later, Japan's radio chatter mentions AF is short of water. Now there's no doubt. The Japanese target is Midway. With that sliver of evidence, the U.S. Navy prepares an ambush. 3 American aircraft carriers, Enterprise, Hornet, and the battered Yorktown, race to a patch of empty ocean hidden in the vast Pacific. The Japanese, unaware their codes are cracked, approach as planned. They launch their planes at Midway Island, but American torpedo bombers, flying dangerously low and exposed, attack the Japanese fleet. Nearly all are shot down. Not a single torpedo hits. But their sacrifice isn't in vain. The Japanese combat air patrol is out of position. Just then, American dive bombers, arriving at the perfect moment, dive from above. In less than 5 minutes, 3 Japanese carriers, Akagi, Kaga, and Soryu, are on fire, bombs detonating fuel and munitions. Hiryu, the 4th, launches a desperate counterstrike, damaging Yorktown, but she too is found and destroyed. Japan's naval supremacy is shattered. 4 carriers lost, hundreds of planes and irreplaceable crew gone, all because American cryptanalysts caught what Japanese admirals believed was an unbreakable code. Midway was more than a clash of ships and pilots. It was a duel of wits and wires, fought in shadowy code rooms where words had the power to sink fleets. After Midway, the Pacific War's tide turns. Japan never recovers its momentum. For the first time, hope flickers across the Allied world, and it all hinged on a single message, and the razor-sharp minds who listened for secrets hidden in static. So next time you hear about historic battles, remember, sometimes the war is won long before the first shot is fired. Want to know what happened to the Codebreakers after Midway, or how Japan tried to strike back? Hit subscribe. There's much more in the Code Wars of World War II.